JVZoo Affiliate Marketing. Hi guys, welcome back. This is a beginner's tutorial for JVZoo Affiliate Marketing. Today I will show you how you can sign up for JVZoo to do affiliate marketing and earn maximum commission. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is simply go to jvzoo.com. jvzoo.com is an amazing platform that has a lot of different affiliate programs for you to join. You can simply go ahead and get started with affiliate marketing and become an active affiliate on JVZoo. You can also promote different products and create your own products to sell. There are different ways you can do affiliate marketing with JVZoo. So let's get started. The first thing that you need to do is simply sign up for JVZoo. So the starting up process is really easy. You will simply click right here, start for free, and you will be able to sign up for JVZoo. So this is to register for a free account. So what you have to do is simply add your full legal name, email address, password, and confirm password. Then you have to select your country right here. You can select any country. All of the countries are available on JVZoo. So let me fill this in and then we will simply go ahead and verify our account, and then we will be able to go ahead and check out the features of JVZoo affiliate. So once you add all of the information, then you have to verify your account with your email address. Now let's check out the marketplace for JVZoo so we will have a better idea that what kind of programs and products are available on JVZoo for us. So this is the marketplace in here. Marketplace simply means that we will be able to find different products to promote. So there are two types of affiliate marketing that you can do. You can simply sign up as a seller where you create your own product and then you sell it on JVZoo. And then the other way is becoming an affiliate and promoting the products that someone else has created. So this is one of the very easiest ways to simply do affiliate marketing and earning your commission. When you simply promote a product, then you simply earn commission to a sale that you have made. For example, you can make a sale for $30 and that in $30 you will have your own commission. And then there will be a profit as well and bonus included. So that's how it simply works. Now I will show you how to find the right product on JVZoo and what kind of products are available for you to do affiliate marketing for. So when it comes to products, we have different niches, of course. In niches, there are different niches and some of the niches do well than the others. For example, tech and softwares, health and fitness, then we have educational, science products. So these are the different products that actually do pretty well. And then there are some products that will do well but not as good as the others. So you have to go for a niche that is actually trending. Now to go for any of the products, what I can do is I can simply click right here and I will be able to check out their website. JVZoo allows you to go ahead and check a product. You simply open it up. And now what I can do is I can simply buy this product right now. And when I will buy it, I will be actually, making money with it. If I sign up as a, visitor and as a customer, then I will be able to buy it. And the person and the agency will making money out of it. And the person who is doing the promotion for. If you sign up as an affiliate, then you're the one making money. That's how it works. This is a product, and then you can simply go ahead and check out the product. You can check out their local right here, their local website, and all of the information is given. So this is the view of the marketplace of JVZoo. You can see right here we have all of the different categories in here. We have e-commerce, we have business, health and fitness, self-improvement, and software. So these are the top trending categories, and you can see right here, as I mentioned, softwares and health and fitness. Then we have e-commerce and business. Then there are others as well, but these niches actually do pretty well. So these are the different categories you can go for when it comes to choosing a product on JVZoo. Then we have the local marketplace right here. So in local marketplace, what happens is you can see that we have all of the categories listed. We have business, we have economy, we have foreign exchange, general, small business, and then we have cooking and food. We have management, we have real estate, general, special diners, and others. So what I can do now is I can simply go ahead and scroll and simply check out a local marketplace where I will be able to find different products. So what again, I will simply open up any of the products and it will open up the product page for me, and I will be able to get all the information that I need in order to buy the product or to do promotion for. If we talk about the JVZoo features, then we have a lot of different features that are available. JVZoo is always free to join as an affiliate or as a vendor to sell unlimited products with a single account. So with JVZoo, there are different tools and features we can avail, and that actually make JVZoo affiliate marketing stand out in others. So you can see right here, the first thing is instant affiliate program. You can simply go ahead and list yourself or your product, and you can immediately start recurring affiliate. So there is no waiting time and there is no request time or move time. You simply go ahead and start immediately. Then we have sell unlimited products. That is actually pretty amazing that you can sell unlimited products with JVZoo. Then we have drop and click sales funnel. You can actually create very amazing and professional conversion crushing sales funnel for your products with a simple drag and drop system. So that's actually pretty easy to use. Then we have digital delivery protection. JVZoo's customer portal will instantly deliver your product for you, saving your time and money. Then you have auto affiliate payments. As soon as a sale is made, you will be instantly paid by the affiliate on your behalf with JVZoo methods. Then we have never go out of pocket, which simply means that you'll only ever pay when you make a sale. So in case refunds, you'll automatically get an affiliate commission back. Then we have JV profit sharing. Instantly pay JV partners for each transaction, removing all confusing money division. So because when it comes to affiliate marketing, there is going to be a profit sharing. So with JVZoo affiliate marketing, you can simply go ahead and do that right away so that there is no confusion. Then we have time sales technology. You can simply go ahead and create urgency with countdown buttons, and there are a lot of different tools to kind of like help you set a real-time update. Then we have recurring payments, set up individual products or recurring memberships with trials, and it's good for your business, and you get this flexibility with JVZoo. There are different integrations that are available that actually help you customize your experience, and you will be able to do a lot more. Then we have payment processes. So when it comes to payment, this is one of the very important things that we look in a affiliate platform, that what are the payment processors. Then we have all of them right here. We have PayPal, we have Stripe, we have Payoneer, and then we have Payment Rails and JVZoo Pay as well. So all of them are available. This is pretty amazing, and it becomes really easy for you to go ahead and add a very simple payment method. Earn more with JVZoo. So what happens is you will be able to sign up for free, of course, and then you will be able to find the best products and promote it, and then simply make money. When it comes to making money as a beginner on JVZoo, you can simply make from $50 to $100 per sale, and as your products increase, as you learn more about JVZoo and you promote your product better, you become a professional affiliate, then you can actually make hundreds of dollars with each sale, and you will ultimately be making thousands of dollars. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know how to do affiliate marketing with JVZoo. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.